Ever wondered who would win a staring contest between a crested gecko and a dart frog? Welcome to our exciting journey into the captivating world of these extraordinary creatures. Imagine a tiny reptile, the crested gecko, with the amazing ability to defy gravity and scale walls like a miniature superhero. Now, picture a dart frog, a small amphibian with a vibrant wardrobe of colors that can outshine even the brightest rainbows. These two creatures may seem worlds apart, but they share a common thread, a life filled with intrigue and wonder.
New videos every day. Subscribe to our channel.
From the crested gecko's fascinating breeding rituals to the lily white crested gecko's stunning appearance, there's a lot to discover. And let's not forget our colorful friend, the dart frog. Despite its size, it sure knows how to make a statement. So, are you ready to dive into this adventure? Stay tuned to find out more about these remarkable reptiles. Imagine a creature that can climb straight up a wall. Meet the crested gecko. Now you might be wondering, where do these fascinating reptiles hang out? Well, these little wall climbers originally hail from the beautiful islands of New Caledonia, a tropical paradise located in the South Pacific. Here they enjoy hanging out in the rainforest canopy, making the most of the lush, tropical environment. Now, let's talk about what these critters like to eat. Crested geckos are omnivores, which means they enjoy a diverse menu. They love to munch on a variety of fruits, insects, and even the occasional small lizard. This varied diet helps them stay strong and healthy, ready for any wall climbing adventure. But what really sets the crested gecko apart are their unique physical features. Take a close look at their feet. See those tiny pads? Those are adhesive toe pads that allow them to cling to and climb up just about any surface. It's like they have their own built-in suction cups. And then there are those expressive eyes. Crested geckos have large, round, and captivating eyes that can see a wide range of colors. These eyes not only help them navigate their environment, but also communicate their feelings and intentions to others. It's like they're speaking with their eyes. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of crested gecko breeding. These reptiles come in a variety of colors and patterns known as morphs. You've got your standard crested gecko, and then you have the lily white crested gecko, a stunning variant with a pure, snow-white body that's truly a sight to behold. Each morph is a testament to nature's creativity and diversity. So that's the crested gecko for you, a real-life wall crawler. With their remarkable climbing ability, diverse diet, and expressive eyes, these geckos are a testament to the wonders of the animal kingdom. They prove that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact on our world. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a crested gecko looks like? Well, let's start with a surprising fact. While we're up and about during the day, our crested gecko pals are catching some Z's. That's right. These fascinating reptiles are nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and become active at night. Once the sun goes down, the crested gecko is ready to start its day, or should we say, its night. The darkness doesn't bother them at all. In fact, they thrive in it. Thanks to their excellent night vision, they navigate their surroundings with ease, hopping from branch to branch with the grace of an acrobat. But what does a nighttime routine look like for a crested gecko, you ask? Well, it usually involves a lot of exploration and hunting. They're always on the move, searching for a tasty snack or two. Speaking of snacks, let's talk about the crested gecko's diet. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and insects. A typical menu for a crested gecko might include fruits, nectar, and a variety of insects. Yum! Or at least, the geckos seem to think so. Now you might be wondering, how does a crested gecko interact with its environment? Just like we use our hands to feel and touch, a crested gecko uses its tongue. They frequently lick their surroundings and even their own eyes to gather information about their environment. It might seem a little strange to us, but it's perfectly normal for them. And let's not forget about crested gecko breeding. It's a fascinating process where the female can store sperm and lay several clutches of eggs from a single mating. Some of these baby geckos might even grow up to be lily white crested geckos or other fascinating crested gecko morphs. And that's how our crested gecko spends its day. Well, it's night, really. But you get the idea. It's a life full of exploration, hunting, and even a little bit of acrobatics. All in a day's work for the crested gecko. Now let's hop over to another amazing creature, the dart frog. Imagine a creature so small, yet so vibrantly colored, it can be spotted from afar. That's the dart frog for you. These little guys are nature's very own artists, painting the rainforest with their brilliant blues, reds, greens, and yellows. They call the tropical rainforests of Central and South America their home, nestled among the tall trees and lush greenery. And what do they eat, you wonder? Well, dart frogs enjoy a diet of small invertebrates, including spiders, ants, beetles, centipedes, and mites. Talk about a mini beast feast. Now here's where things get really interesting. Dart frogs are known for their unique trait of secreting poison. That's right, these tiny frogs carry a potent toxin to keep predators at bay. But don't worry, they only use it for protection. The brighter the frog, the more toxic it tends to be. But why are they called dart frogs? It's not because they're quick as a dart, although they are pretty speedy. The name comes from indigenous people's use of their toxic secretions to poison the tips of blow darts. Hence the name dart frog. And when it comes to love, dart frogs have some unique mating behaviors. During the rainy season, male dart frogs get busy calling out to attract females. Once he wins over a female, she lays her eggs, and then he fertilizes them. Here's the cool part. After the eggs hatch into tadpoles, one of the parents, usually the male, carries them on his back to a suitable water-filled location, like a bromeliad plant. There, the tadpoles grow and develop into froglets. Talk about hands-on parenting, so there you have it. The dart frog, with its vibrant colors, unique diet, and fascinating traits, is a small but mighty inhabitant of the rainforest. From their poison secretions to their dedicated parenting, they're a testament to nature's wonder. Isn't the dart frog just an explosion of color and mystery? Scene script. Have you ever wondered how a dart frog spends its day? Well, let's dive into the vibrant world of these extraordinary creatures. Dart frogs, known for their striking colors and patterns, lead a fascinating life. The day in the life of a dart frog begins bright and early. As the tropical sun rises, they awaken from their cozy leaf beds to start their day. One of the first things on a dart frog's to-do list? Breakfast, of course. Dart frogs have an interesting diet, mainly consisting of small invertebrates like ants, beetles, mites, spiders, and centipedes. They use their long, sticky tongues to catch their prey, which they spot with their excellent eyesight. Feeding is not just about satisfying hunger for these colorful amphibians. It also serves another significant purpose. You see, the poison that gives the poison dart frog its name actually comes from their diet. Some of the insects they eat are toxic, and these toxins are stored in the frog's skin, providing them with a potent defense mechanism against predators. Speaking of interactions with their environment, dart frogs are also quite social animals. They communicate with each other using a variety of calls, each with its own special meaning. Some calls are used to attract mates, while others serve to warn off rivals or alert others to danger. Now let's talk about one of the most unique aspects of a dart frog's lifestyle, their parenting habits. Unlike many other animal species, dart frogs take on a very active role in raising their offspring. The mother lays her eggs in a safe, damp location, and once the tadpoles hatch, the father carries them on his back to small pools of water where they can grow and develop. These dedicated parents even check on their tadpoles regularly, ensuring they are safe and well fed. So, from hunting for breakfast, to socializing with their froggy friends, to taking care of their tadpoles, dart frogs lead a busy and intriguing life. And that's a day in the life of a dart frog, vibrant and full of surprises. So, who do you think would win the staring contest now? After our amazing journey today, we've learned so much about our friends, the crested gecko and the dart frog. The crested gecko, with its curious eyes, loves to climb and explore, especially during the night. They come in all sorts of patterns and colors, from the regular crested gecko to the lily white crested gecko and other intriguing crested gecko morphs. On the other hand, the dart frog, vibrant and lively, hops around the rainforest floor during the day. Despite their small size, their bright colors serve as a warning sign of the poison they carry. Both these fascinating creatures have unique lifestyles. Crested geckos are experts in breeding, while dart frogs are vigilant parents, carrying their tadpoles on their backs to safety. Remember, whether it's a crested gecko or a dart frog, every creature is fascinating in its own way. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.
New videos every day. Subscribe to our channel.